welcome to my YouTube channel. And to my first knitting project set in the quiet silence of Oxfordshire. So this is how we cast. We put here. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, now when I turn, yeah, this is the last stitch. I knit 1 to leave here a pom-pom on the edge. Then after I continue. Always knit. Yeah, I finish, turn, Yeah, don't forget to drink some water while you knit it. Just so happens that I only started the bobbin and I have a defect. Something like this would rather correct now because it's not going to look good later. And I'll show you how to correct it. So we need a needle. We need some thread. Okay. Make sure it's burnt. Yeah. This yarn is like a cord, so you're gonna sew through them. So I'm continuing. Always knitting, always knitting. I knit here in the edge to leave a pom-pom in between the rows. Now, according with how long you're gonna make it, and if you have here a breast to be proud of, you start to add a bit on this width. Yeah, so this is how long I decided to make under the breast, and now for the breast I'm gonna add, no, actually four normal, and then after I will take from here and make another one and make this one, two, three, four, and take this one, two, three, four. I added for the breast after 9 pom-poms. For each pom-pom is 1 pom-pom here, 1 row adds pom-pom this side, the second row adds pom-pom that side. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and multiply by 2, after 20 rows I added another 2 stitches, and you can add more. You can add 3 stitches or 4 stitches. Now we continue all the way up. Three rows after I multiplied here for the breast, I multiplied again because I want a beautiful shape for the breast. So before I started with 12 stitches, and now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 stitches. And I continue like this all the way up. Yeah. And I finished one bobbin in nearly an hour. So we are here and we want to turn around the neck and come back down. Yeah. So after we will need another couple of rows, we're gonna add something to make round, beautiful round in the back. We are gonna add to the side that goes around the neck. And this is how we're gonna do. We start the 1, 2, 3, and we turn back. We take the first one without knitting, knit, knit, and we are back at the edge. Now we start the row again. We make the stitch for the edge, 2, 3. Here's the point where we turn back. We continue another 3. 1, 2, 3, and we turn back. Put the thread behind. Take the first without knitting, and we knit again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and with the one that we did not knit, we have 6 that we worked. And now again we start the row 1 and knit up until here. We knitted last time. We continue with 3 more stitches. 1, 2, 3. We go back, take the first one and knit back everything. Yeah, we are making, you see, we are adding so we can have a beautiful spread on the back that is bigger than the neck. This edge here is going to follow the neck, and this is going to spread, this side is going to spread on the back. Yeah, we are here where we stopped last time. Take another 3. 1, 2, 3. And go back. And now we will knit 4 rows of pom-pom, and if you remember, 1 row of pom-pom has 1 row knitted this one side and 1 row knitted the other side, so in each side we see a pom-pom. So we are going to knit 8 rows. After we knitted 4 rows, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we add stitches again in style like here. Stitch, knitted 3, go back, take the first, knit, knit back. Knit the first to start the row, knit, knit, yeah, here I turn back, knit another 3, 1, 2, 3, I turn back, take the thread, I don't knit first, knit the rest, start row again, here I turn back last time, continue with another 3, 1, 2, 3, turn back, here I stop like last time, I take another 3, turn back, now I continue 4 rows again. Okay, now we added fun style, some stitches, 4 rows, added again 4 rows, and now repeat the 2 cycles. Add in fun style 4 rows, add in fun style 4 rows, so in the end we're gonna have 4, maybe 5, we'll see how it goes. 4 fun style added stitches with 4 rows in between them. Okay, now what do you think? I think we're ready to come down straight like we've done here, yeah? Let's go. And I finished the second bobbin, and now I'm gonna take a break because my bread is ready. Shisha, yeah, was yeah. Yeah. And so now we are here in the point where on this side we added, on first row we added 2 stitches, and after 3 rows multiplied with 2 stitches. So now I'm in the same place, and I am now taking out 2 stitches, knitting 3 rows, and then after taking out another 2 stitches again. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When to make the 5th one, I am knitting 2 in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're knitting 2 together. 1. And now I continue with 3 rows. And the second, taking out the stitches row, after 3 rows, I made 4 stitches. I knitted 4 stitches, knit 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, and now I continue with 9 multiplies by 2, 18 rows, 18, 20 rows, depends on how many we done on the other side before adding. Yeah, you see here was added, 3 rows added again. Okay, so now we are here. The front is done and the back there, if you see. Now we have first to close, to finish this row. And it is a little bit tricky to finish it because if we cannot finish like any other knitting style, we have to add, we will use some normal yarn to finish. So to finish, I'm gonna use a crochet, and first I'll pull the last stitch through the one before it. And here from here I take it with a crochet, and what I am doing is I'm making a little chain that is gonna go underneath, so 3 chain stitches, no, actually 2 would be enough, and these stitches I'm gonna take it underneath the pom-pom, coming and take the next pom-pom stitch, chain, take it underneath because we don't want this row to be visible. We don't want this crocheted helping yarn to be visible. And let's see what are we doing here. Yeah. Okay. I made 2 stitches. Take it underneath. Okay, now let me help you understand. Underneath the last one. The last one, instead of taking this chain underneath here, we take this chain underneath, and we chain here together. Cut here and secure, and then after we will sew this end here. So what are we gonna do now is we will find the middle of this, and we'll add 18 stitches each side of this middle. The problem with this pom-pom is that it arranges itself in a certain way. We can very easily do like this, take through each stitch from the side and take one. Next stitch. We can do it like this. This is simple. We take the last stitch from the edge and knit one of ours. That is simple. But when we come back, if we continue to do like this, it's not going to look nice. It's going to look a little bit like one pom-pom row is forced into it. Let me do. Do you see what I mean? This pom-pom row is a little bit forced. Does not look that natural. This one. So I thought about a solution. So if you decided which one is gonna be the wrong side and which one is gonna be the front side, then you add the pom-pom stitches from the right side. For example, if this side that I see is the right side and this side that is underneath is the wrong side, then I keep the pullover like this and I add. So the first pom-pom row is added on the wrong side, and the crowded, the part where the pom-pom is more obvious is there. Yeah, so now we have to do the numbers. We have to count from the middle 18 stitches and start. So let's see which one is the middle. This is the middle, yeah. I have two, yeah, two short ones. You see? Two short ones. Two short ones, yeah. And in the middle is two. This is the middle. I count from this one 17 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, here I start adding. If you want to be a little bit more accurate about the about this addition of the stitches, we can add by crocheting first a row with a normal yarn, and then after adding the pom-pom and I put two threads, and one I'm gonna leave it at the end, and I crochet where I need to put the stitch. Then after I crochet 1, 2, 3 chains, then after I crochet a simple crochet stitch where I supposed to put the pom-pom yarn, 3 chains, crochet we're supposed to put the pom-pom yarn, 1, 2, 3 chains added, so I made with a crochet an edge on which I'm going to stitch the stitches, and at each end I have the crocheted thread that I'm going to use after. I'll show you how. And now I'm going to stitch these stitches. I'm going to add these stitches. Yeah, in the crocheted space. So normally I would have put it here, but now I put it a little bit above, so this row that is added has a bit more space. And as I put the stitching on with the help of the crochet, I put them on the knitting needle. Okay, so now I have stitches. I have casted the stitches here, and from now on we're going to have a wrong side, the one that you're going to see the crocheted thread, and a right side where we are not going to see the crocheted thread. So, and now the first we are going to take the first stitch and not working anymore. We're going to keep it, it's going to be held by the thread, the normal thread that is there, and we continue with the pom-pom all the way down. Yeah, we've done the last one, and when we turn, we done what we did in the other side. We don't need, we just leave it. But this stitch is gonna go under the normal thread. Yeah, and continue. Okay, the last one. We turn. We do not knit it. We just take it. We knit the next one. And this one, we put it next on the thread. Again. Yeah. Yeah. This one. Is going on the thread. Yeah. So we have the last one, we have this one. Practically, we leave one by one the ends. I'm at the end of the row again. I knit the last stitches, turn, I don't knit this one, knit first one, but this one is gonna go under the thread. Like the other one. Yeah. And now I continue the row again. I'm at the end of the row again, the same situation. Turn. I do not knit the first one, knit next one, and the first one is going to go on the thread. Not to be lost. You see what I'm doing? Up and down, just leaving the last one behind. Again. Okay, I left behind 3 of them, like in the other side, and I continue, and I finished the 3rd bobbin. Now we knit it up and down, leaving every time one stitch behind. 6 rows, actually 12 rows, so I should have 6 stitches left behind in one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we want to make from that round shape to adjust it to a straight shape, and we will add stitches fan style. We knit the edge, to have a pom-pom. 1, 2, 3. We turn back. We don't need the first 1, 2, 3. Knit the first one on the edge. 2, 3. This is what I left, and take 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Go back. But first one, I'm not knitting first one because it would become too bulky, and I don't want to transition from the one that is not knitted to the one that is knitted to be too big. So that's why I don't knit for first one where I return. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I take 3 more, knit first one to leave a pom-pom behind, so I have here enough pom-pom not to hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here where I left, and add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Three more. Turn back. Continue. Now do in the other. So here we are now. You see, the back is straight, and we are exactly in the point where we will join the front. So let us count now how many rows we still have to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we continue all the way down 16 rows, 16 pom-poms, which means 32 rows. So I finished the 4th bobbin and I still have 4 rows to go, and nearly finished the entire waistcoat to knit, and then after it takes just a little while to join the front and the back. Because previously I forgot to add a reserve for joining the sleeve. I'm gonna make a trick now, and I will add on the side now. We're gonna close. We done the rest of the back. We're gonna close. So we take 2 and make a chain, we knit in the front, we add 1 pom-pom in the back. We knit in the front together too, add pom-pom at the back. We knit in the front, the 2 of them, the last one with the next one. So I finished this, closing the edge of the back, but with the last stitch I do not really close it down, but I go on the side to build up the reserve for underneath the sleeve. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here on the side I'm gonna make 4 rows. Take the stitch, put underneath the correspondent stitch in the other side and pull everything through 1, 2, 3 chains. Take the stitch, the correspondent from the other side, take everything through, 1, 2, 3. Take the stitch from the other side, everything through, 1, 2, 3. Take the stitch from the other side, everything through, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is what we're supposed to have. The 6 stitches that we left on the when making the back, we left them cut by the thread. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go back take it through underneath. Yeah, I nearly finished, darling.
Huh?
I nearly finished. Let me finish at least something.
Okay.
actually this is gonna be the back, the wrong side.